We would like to take our pistons from this engine, take from here down, and we'll change the oil rings here. And after this, I think this engine will be like new one. Because the pistons in good conditions, we leave them like here, but now we must to mark all pistons to place them back on the same places. We will change only oil rings here. What do you think? What is with this? With these pistons and with these rings? The main reason the oil eating on this engine is the second oil ring doesn't pressurize on the engine good, and the oil leaked from below to the this one, yeah. Third one. Oil ring is not good, and oil leaked to the chamber, and we have the big oil leaks. The first rings are okay, but last one, who store oil, is not good, and because of that we have oil leaks to the chamber. And oil consumed is very high on this engine. Yeah. But now I think it will be okay. It's out. I can take it. This one is stuck. Just a moment. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. As you see, the oil ring is not very good here. We need to change them. The main reason your engine can eat oil and work badly is oil rings. Yeah, we have problem with them because this one, the rings was bad and doesn't work properly, and our car eat oil, a lot of oil each mile, each kilometers. And because of that we bought new in KIA links, like this one. And now we will try to fix our car with these links. The pistons are clean now, and we will change piston ring. It's a very important operation because the quality of work of your engine is only because of these rings. If the rings in good condition, the engine works properly. The most important operation for all engine. The spring and the ring.
Your number?
Yeah. The spring and the ring, now they are working properly. Awesome. Ta-da! We have new links on our good piston. The car will be like new. We need some engine oil to grease the rings. Okay. This we have some device to put rings on its place. We grease the area where will be piston. Wow, awesome device. Yeah, and now all our rings are on their places. Wow. The piston is on his place. The same operation we need to do with all 4 pistons. This device Fox company from Deutschland, from Germany. Now crankshaft is down for first and fourth, and second and third is up. Because of that we can do second and third. First is down, and we can screw it to the crankshaft. Back.
Okay. Please down.
Next one.
And next one down 4 piston.
The piston number 4. And third. Second and third, and we will screw it right now. There is a pinpoint that we can see where the piston must have direction.
Outside.
Yeah, is that outside point, and all pistons are the same. And you can change them or mix.
First check.